worldwide radio station available in your car. Watch this video how to do it. Hi guys, today I want to show you how to listen in absolutely any radio station from worldwide on your audio car system. I'm located in United Kingdom, but you can see on this video I can listen in radio station from Turkey, Africa, Romanian, Hungarian, Polish and any country in the world without any problem at all. Watch this video to the end. I will show you step by step how to connect your audio car system to the worldwide station. First, you need to connect your mobile phone with the car audio system by Bluetooth. If it's already connected, you can skip this step. Okay, my mobile is connected, so I can show you how to listen in the worldwide station. Now you need to take your mobile phone and go to your Apple Store or Google Play and download the virtual radio app. On this video I use V-Radio app. If your mobile phone is already connected via Bluetooth, you can choose a radio station from V-Radio app and listening your favorite station via car audio system, I mean the car speakers. Enjoy listening your favorite radio station. If you have any question, write in the comment below.